So how'd she do today, Chance?
Well, she did good. Liking the new programmer with the wideband O2 sensor. Got the little lope on there, little Harley lope. She's a lot more fun to ride now, I'd say.
Should have done it sooner.
Set your rev limiter, what you want, whatever you want.
Let's see here, get the app out. No, I want to go to RPM limit. Got her at 5,500 right now. A little bit too low. Right up to 65. That's still a little too low. About 7,500. I tried, I think I had her at 8 earlier and it was a little scary. I think 7,500 feels closer to stop.